हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम पंचा मोरांग। आज हम लोग पढ़ाई करेंगे यूपीएससी की सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन की लास्ट ईयर डेट मीन्स 2020 की जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है वो हम लोग क्वेश्चन विद आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अप टू 40 क्वेश्चन in our last two videos. Now we will discuss another 20 question. So friends, without delay, let's discuss. Already जो हम लोगों ने दो वीडियो में 40 क्वेश्चन 1 to 40 क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अनदर 20 क्वेश्चन। सो आज का जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 41। सो हम लोग देखते हैं 41 क्वेश्चन को पढ़ते हैं पहले। विथ रेफरेंस टू कार्बन नैनो ट्यूब्स कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। दे कैन बी यूज एज, आपका स्टेटमेंट 1 है, दे कैन बी यूज एज कैरियर्स ऑफ ड्रग्स एंड एंटीजेंस इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी। स्टेटमेंट 2, they can be made into artificial blood capillaries for a injured part of human body. Statement 3, they can be used in biochemical synthesis. Statement 4, carbon nanotubes are biodegradable. Which of the statement given above are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2, 3 and 4 only, option C 1, 3 and 4 only, and option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer of this question is option D. It means all of the above 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. This is the right answer. We move to the next question. Question number 42. Consider the following activities: spraying pesticides on a crop field. Statement 2, inspecting the craters of active volcanoes. Statement 3, collecting breed samples from spouting wells from DNA analysis. At the present level of technology, which of the above activities can be successfully carried out by using drones? सो यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शन है। ऑप्शन ए 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So the right answer of this question is again option D, that means 1, 2 and 3. All of the above are correct. Friends, now we move to the next question. Question number 43. The experiment will employ a trio of spacecraft flying in formation in the shape of an equilateral triangle that has sides 1 million kilometers long with laser shining between the craft. The experiment in question refers to A. Voyager 2, B. New Horizons, C. LISA Pathfinder, D. Evolve LISA. जो LISA है इसका ये आपका करेक्ट आंसर है, इवोल्व LISA लिसा। दिस इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। इसका जो फुल फॉर्म है वो आपका इवोल्व लेसर इंटरफेरोमीटर स्पेस एंटेना। So friends, now we move to the next question, that means 44. Question number 44. Consider the following statements. 1. Statement 1. Genetic changes can be introduced in the cell that produce eggs or sperms of a prospective parents. Statement 2. A person's genome can be edited before birth at the early embryonic stage. Statement 3. Human induced pluripotent stem cell can be injected into the embryo of a pig. Which of the statement given above is oblique are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 2 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer of this question is again option D 1, 2 and 3. Now I move to the next question. What is the importance of using pneumococcal conjugate vaccines in India? Statement 1. These vaccines are effective against pneumonia as well as meningitis and sepsis. Statement 2. Dependence on antibiotics that are not effective against drug resistant bacteria can be reduced. Option 3. These vaccines have no side effects and causes no allergic reactions. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A only 1, option B only 2, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So here the correct answer will be the option B 1 and 2 only. Next, now I move to the next question. Question number 46. Question number 46. In India, the term public infrastructure is used in the context of digital statement A. Digital security infrastructure, B. Food security infrastructure, C. Healthcare and education infrastructure, and D. telecommunication and transportation infrastructure. So यहाँ जो आपका राइट करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है वह है आपका स्टेटमेंट ए, डिजिटल सिक्योरिटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज दी correct answer. Now we move to the next question. 47. Question number 47. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the general difference between plant and animal cells? Statement 1. Plant cells have cellular cell walls whilst animal cells do not. 2. Plant cells do not have plasma membrane unlike animal cells which do. Statement 3. Mature plant cell has one large vacuole whilst animal cell has many small vacuoles. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. सो यहाँ जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो आपका ऑप्शन सी 1 and 3 only, ऑप्शन सी 1 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only. Now we move to the next question. 48. Which of the following are the reasons oblique fissures for exposure to benzene pollution? Statement 1, automobile exhaust. Statement 2, tobacco smoke. 3, wood burning. 4, using varnish wooden furniture. 5th, using product made of polyurethane. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B 2 and 4 only. Option C 1, 3 and 4 only, and option D 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. सो इस क्वेश्चन का जो राइट आंसर है वो आपका ऑप्शन डी, दैट मीन्स ऑल ऑफ द अबव 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we move to the next question. 49th. If another global financial crisis happens in the near future, which of the following actions or policies are most likely to give some immunity to India? स्टेटमेंट पढ़ेंगे अभी. स्टेटमेंट 1, not depending on short term foreign borrowings. Statement 2, opening up to more foreign banks. Statement 3, maintaining full capital account convertibility. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 only, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. 49 का जो आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ये आपका है ए 1 ओनली. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर, 1 ओनली. ये आपका करेक्ट आंसर है. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. If you withdraw rupees 1 lakh in cash from your demand deposit account at your bank, the immediate effect on aggregate money supply in the economy will be option A to reduce it by rupees 1 lakh, B to increase it by rupees 1 lakh, C to increase it by more than rupees 1 lakh, D to leave it unchanged. So right answer of this question is D, to leave it unchanged. Now we move to the next question. Question number 51. With reference to foreign direct investment in India, which one of the following is considered its major characteristics? Statement A, it is the investment through capital instrument, essentially in a listed company. Option B, it is a largely non-debt creating capital flow. C, it is the investment which involves debt servicing. D, it is the investment made by foreign institutional investor in the government securities. सो यहाँ से आपका राइट आंसर है वो है बी, स्टेटमेंट बी आपका. इट इज़ ए लार्जली नॉन डेट क्रिएटिंग कैपिटल फ्लो. Now we move to the next question. Question number 52. With reference to the international trade of India at present, which of the following statement is correct? Statement 1, India's merchandise exports are less than its merchandise imports. Statement 2, India's import of iron and steel chemical fertilizers and machinery have decreased in recent years. Statement 3, India's exports of services are more than its import of services. 4, Statement 4, India suffers from an overall trade or current account deficit. Select the correct answer using the code given below. तो यहाँ का जो आपका करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन डी 1, 2 एंड 4 ओनली. सो यहाँ का जो आपका चारों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 53. द टर्म वेस्ट टेक्सास इंटरमीडिएट sometimes found in news refers to a grade of A. crude oil, B. crude oil, B. bullion, C. rare earth elements, and D. uranium. So the correct answer is option A. crude oil. Now we move to the next question. Question number 54. In the context of Indian economy, non-financial debt includes which of the following? Statement 1, housing loans owned by households. Statement 2, amounts outstanding on credit cards. Statement 3, treasury bills. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 only, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. Here the correct answer is option D 1, 2 and 3. Now we move to the next question. Question number 55. In India, why are some nuclear reactors kept under IAEA safeguards while other are not? जो ये आपका IAEA है इसका फुल फॉर्म है इंटरनेशनल एटॉमिक एनर्जी एजेंसी. तो इसका जो स्टेटमेंट है ए, सम यूज यूरेनियम एंड अदर्स यूज थोरियम्स. बी, सम यूज इम्पोर्टेड यूरेनियम एंड अदर्स यूज डोमेस्टिक सप्लाईज. सी, सम आर operated by foreign enterprises and others are operated by domestic enterprises. And D, some are state owned and others are privately owned. सो इसका जो आपका राइट आंसर है वो है आपका स्टेटमेंट बी. करेक्ट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन बी, सम यूज इम्पोर्टेड यूरेनियम एंड अदर्स यूज डोमेस्टिक सप्लाईज. ये आपका करेक्ट आंसर है. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 56. With reference to trade related investment measures TRIMS, which of the following statements is oblique or correct? Statement 1 देखते हैं. Quantitative restrictions on imported by foreign investors are prohibited. Statement 2, they apply to investment measures related to trade in both goods and services. Statement 3, they are not concerned with the regulation of foreign investment. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. Here the correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3 only is the 1 and 3 is the right statement. Now we move to the next question. If the RBI decides to adopt an expansionist monetary policy, which of the following would is not do? Statement 1, cut and optimize the statutory liquidity ratio. Statement 2, increase the marginal standing facility rate. Statement 3, cut the bank rate and repo rate. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. Here the correct answer is option B, option B 2 only, 2 only. Now we move to the next question. With reference to the Indian economy, after the 1991 economic liberalization, consider the following statements. Statement 1, worker productivity rupees per worker at 2004-2005 prices increase in urban areas while it decrease in rural areas. Statement 2, the percentage share of rural areas in the workforce steadily increase. 3, in rural areas the growth in non-farm economy increase. Statement 4, the growth rate in rural employment decrease. Which of the statement given above is oblique or correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 3 and 4 only, option C 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 4 only. Here the correct answer is option B 3 and 4 only. Option B 3 and 4 only. Now we move to the next question. Fifth, 59th long question. Consider the following statements in statement 1, in terms of short term credit delivery to the agricultural sector, district central cooperative banks delivered more credit in comparison to scheduled commercial banks and regional rural banks. Statement 2, one of the most important functions of district central cooperative banks is to provide funds to the primary agricultural credit societies. Which of the statements given above is oblique or correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Here the correct answer is option B 2 only. So statement 1 is incorrect. Now we move to the next question, or the last question of today's discussion. Question number 60. In India, under cyber insurance for individual, which of the following benefits are generally covered in addition to payment for the loss of funds and other benefits? Statement 1, cost of restoration of the computer system in case of malware disrupting access to one's computer. Statement 2, cost of a new computer if some miscreant willfully damages it if proved so. Statement 3, cost of hiring a specialized consultant to minimize the loss in case of cyber extortion. Statement 4, cost of defense in the court of law if any third party files a suit. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2 and 4 only, option B 1, 3 and 4 only, option C 2 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 3 and 4. Here the correct answer will be option B, 1, 3 and 4 only. 1, 3 and 4 only. सो फ्रेंड, आज का जो हमारे डिस्कशन था इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बाकी का जो क्वेश्चन है वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। सो 2020 का जो यूपीएससी सीएससी का प्रीलिम्स का जो क्वेश्चन है, ये आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर है। ऑलरेडी हम लोग 60 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया विथ टुडेज डिस्कशन। पहले हम लोगों ने लास्ट 2 वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था और आज किया 20 क्वेश्चन। सो टोटल हम लोगों ने 60 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन किया ऑलरेडी। एंड नाउ वी विल नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस दी नेक्स्ट 40 क्वेश्चंस in 2 separate discussion. So friends, thank you for watching this video. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो लाएंगे वो आप लोग ज़रूर देखिए, क्योंकि ये जो 100 क्वेश्चन आपको देखना है। उसके बाद जो एज आई टोल्ड इट, मिनिमम 5 years क्वेश्चन आई विल डिस्कस. If I can, I extend it to 10 years question. So friends, keep on watching, stay with me, so that आपका जो प्रिपरेशन है वो आप लोग बेहतर तरीके से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो ठीक है फ्रेंड, आई होप यू कैन अचीव योर गोल. एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए टिल द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय, हैव ए गुड डे.